In question 1 of this exercise, the problem statement says ABC is a triangle. Locate a point in the interior of triangle ABC which is equidistant or at the same distance from all the vertices of triangle ABC. So inside any triangle ABC given to us, we have to find that point which is at the same distance from all the three vertices of the triangle. Now this problem is actually based on a really fundamental idea in geometry, which is finding a point that is equidistant from 3 points. And because this idea is so important, I'm not going to do the solution the way I normally do it by drawing it out here. Instead, I'm going to show you a simulation using GeoGebra to help you visualize the solution much more effectively. Okay, so here we go. So in this simulation that you see, I have taken this triangle ABC, and now what we will do is we will find a point inside this triangle that is at the same distance from all the three vertices A, B and C. Now you can observe that I can vary this triangle if I want to, and I can observe the triangle for different configurations. Okay, so what we're going to do is first we're going to draw the perpendicular bisector of the segment AB. Okay, so this line that you see, the dotted line, is the perpendicular bisector of AB. If you take any point on this line, so let's take a point X on this line, this point is going to be at the same distance from A and B. So if we take the distance of X from A and B, it's going to be the same. And X is, if you take X anywhere on this perpendicular bisector, you can see that it is always at the same distance from both A and B, right? You take X anywhere, it is at the same distance from A and B. Now let's draw the perpendicular bisector of BC, the segment BC. So this second dotted line that I've drawn is the perpendicular bisector of BC. If you take any point on this new second perpendicular bisector, so let's call that point Y, this point will be equidistant from B and C, correct? So if you take Y to be any point on the second perpendicular bisector, this will always be at the same distance from B and C. So now that brings us to a very interesting point. If we take the point that lies on both the perpendicular bisectors, and there is only one such point, this point that is the intersection of the two perpendicular bisectors, if we take this point O, then what can you say about this point in terms of its distances from the vertices? Well, because it lies on the first perpendicular bisector, it must be equidistant from A and B. And because, so let's see that, so it's at the same distance from A and B. And because this point also lies on the second perpendicular bisector, the perpendicular bisector of BC, it must also be at the same distance from B and C. So here we can see that O is at the same distance from A, B and C. And this is therefore the point that we were trying to find. The point inside the triangle that is equidistant from all the three vertices of the triangle. So how did we find it? We drew the perpendicular bisector of one side, AB, and then we drew the perpendicular bisector of another side, BC. And the two perpendicular bisectors, their point of intersection is the point which is equidistant from all the three vertices. In fact, now if you take O as your center and OA, OB or OC as your radius, you could draw a circle that passes through all the 3 points, all the three vertices of the triangle. And this is possible because O is equidistant from all the three vertices. So this point O is actually called the circumcenter of the triangle. Circumcenter, because it is the center of the circle passing through the three vertices. And even if I change the triangle, you can see that this point O always stays equidistant from the three vertices of the triangle. The other thing to observe is that this point O, because it is equidistant from A and B, it is also equidistant from B and C. So it will also be equidistant from A and C, the two edges of this segment, the two endpoints of this segment AC. This means that if you draw the perpendicular bisector of AC, that will also pass through the point O. So I hope you found this interesting. This is a very fundamental concept in geometry, finding a point equidistant from 3 points. And always remember that It is found by drawing perpendicular bisectors of at least 2 of the 3 segments of the triangle. To learn more about how Cuemath can help you crack school and board exams, explore Cuemath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.